Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover 2, and today I'll show you how to reset app preferences. So to start off, we will need to open up Settings app, then go to Settings, find the Application Manager. So it's right here, somewhere like relatively in the middle of it. And from here you want to tap this button right here, which is the opposite of the back button, and tap on Reset App Preferences. Then you will get a little message. What it will do, confirm it by tapping Reset Apps, and you're basically done. So now all the app preferences have been reset. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.